Now I'm going to show you how these translations are going to reach Transifex. So I'm running the project again. I'm running the app. And right now, you'll see that the translations are not here yet. They're not displayed, but they have been downloaded over the air to the device, and they're going to be used on the next app launch. And this is configurable. You can change that. You can make the strings appear, let's say real time when they reach the device. But we chose not to have this as the default option because it might be a bit weird for users to navigate through your app and suddenly the UI changing, the words changing while they're still on the same app session, let's say. So again, these are not displayed, but the next time we're going to launch the app, we're going to see now the Slovenian strings. We click here and we see these are translated, and these two we have left untranslated on purpose so that you can see you still the missing policy, the fallback still applies, and you can see very, very easily which strings they don't have a translation.